In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge clips in CapCut on PC. Merging clips lets you treat several pieces of footage as one, which speeds up editing and keeps everything organized. First, open CapCut on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're in the project where you want to combine your footage. Next, import your videos. You can bring in any clips you plan to merge, interview angles, B-roll, screen recordings, or shots from your camera. Importing simply adds the media to your project so CapCut can use it. It doesn't change the files on your computer. After import, you'll see your clips available, and on your timeline, they should appear in the order you want them combined. Now, select all the clips you want to merge. The selection tells CapCut exactly which pieces belong together. It's a good moment to double check that you've included everything you need and that the order represents the sequence you intend to deliver. Selecting them together ensures that audio and video that belong to each clip stay aligned when you merge. If your clips include audio, merging them this way keeps their relative levels and timing intact. With the clips selected, right-click on the selection. This opens the context menu, which contains the editing actions relevant to your timeline items. From this menu, click Create Compound Clip. CapCut will wrap those separate clips into a single unified clip on your timeline. Functionally, this behaves like one piece of media. You can move it, trim its ends, add transitions or effects to it as a whole, and keep your timeline clean and manageable. Creating a compound clip is especially helpful when you're working on a complex edit and want to avoid accidental misalignment. Instead of juggling multiple pieces, you handle one consolidated item. Behind the scenes, CapCut preserves your original clips and their boundaries, so you get the organizational benefits of merging without permanently altering the source material. It's a simple habit that pays off when your timeline grows with music, titles, and effects. Take a quick look at your timeline after the compound clip is created. You should see one continuous clip where multiple clips used to be, confirming that the merge succeeded. From here, you can continue editing as normal, confident that your merge section will move and respond as a single unit if you rearrange your timeline or apply broader adjustments. And that's all there is to merging clips in CapCut on PC. Open CapCut, import your videos, select all the clips you want to combine, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined edit.